Welcome back to Overheat. Ford Transit Campervan 2026 Portable Freedom. External lights and front grille slimmer, more effective LED headlights for optimal visibility, and a minor redesign of the front grille design, possibly with a more aggressive or contemporary touch, are also anticipated. Windows designed specifically for campers with built-in shades will be provided as standard. The living area will be easily accessible through wide sliding side doors. Additional equipment will be supported by a robust roof rack, and portion outdoors will be sheltered by a retractable awning. Interior, the bed will be made to be as comfortable as possible. It may be a permanent bed in the back or a convertible bed that can be used as a dining table or sofa during the day. Kitchen, a portable stove, a mini fridge, a small sink, and a water tap with a pump. There will be well-planned storage for groceries and cooking items. Interior materials, modern and aesthetically beautiful finishes will be used, along with lightweight, long-lasting, and easily cleaned materials. Engine, the 2026 Ford Transit is anticipated to come with a selection of strong and effective EcoBoost gasoline engines, in addition to a potential diesel engine option for increased torque and range. Transmission, to ensure a comfortable driving experience, a smooth-running automatic transmission will come standard. Drivetrain, all-wheel drive AWD for a range of terrain capabilities, and rear-wheel drive RWD for good traction. Ford's most recent SY&C infotainment system, which includes Bluetooth, GPS navigation, wireless Apple CarPlay, and Android Auto, will be shown on a sizable touchscreen. Digital regulate panel, an easy-to-use digital panel will be used to regulate the water and power. Management systems, connectivity. The entire cabin will be equipped with USB charging connections and onboard Wi-Fi access points. Safety and help for drivers features. In keeping with current vehicle trends, the 2026 Transit Campervan is probably going to have Ford Copilot 360 installed. Heating and cooling comfort in various climates will be ensured by an effective system.